If you are over 60, clutter in your home could be silently costing you 3 to 5 wasted hours every single week and hundreds of dollars a year in lost or expired items. If you do not know what to remove first, you might be keeping things that increase your fall risk and stress without realizing it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to declutter 27 key areas without feeling overwhelmed, even if you have collected things for 40+ years. You will see how a few targeted changes may help you cut cleaning time, reduce trip hazards, and even avoid buying duplicate items. We will walk through a simple room-by-room plan that you can start in 10 minutes, not 10 days. Many people over 60 feel stuck because every drawer holds memories from the last 20, 30, even 50 years. If you do not have a clear system, you might be spending 15 extra minutes every day just looking for keys, glasses, or papers buried under emotional clutter. That adds up to more than 90 hours a year lost to searching, not living. Up next, we dive into safety financial clutter problem. Hidden clutter may be affecting more than just your space, it could be affecting your safety and your wallet. Stacks of magazines, old boxes, and low items on the floor can turn into trip hazards, and one bad fall can mean weeks or months of recovery. Here's where it gets really important. If you do not control paper clutter, it can quietly cost you missed bills, late fees, and serious stress. Start with one table or one drawer and separate papers into just 3 groups: must keep, action this week, and let go. Your walking paths are one of the most critical zones to declutter if you are over 60. If you do not clear the floor around your bed, bathroom, and favorite chair, you might be increasing your risk of falls every single day without realizing it. Focus on removing low baskets, loose cords, small tables, and piles of magazines or shoes from the areas you walk through most. Quick question for you: if you had to choose just one area to declutter this week, which would protect you the most, your paperwork, your kitchen, or your bedroom pathways? Comment below with the room that worries you most, because simply naming it can help you finally take action. Many people skip this kind of check-in and stay stuck for months or even years. A few years ago, a viewer in her late 60s shared that she ignored her cluttered stairs and hallways for over 12 months. One night, she tripped over a box of shoes she meant to donate and ended up with a fractured wrist, weeks of pain, and several $100s in unexpected costs. Most people skip this part and regret it later, because it is not about stuff, it is about habits. If you do not change how new items enter your home, the clutter will quietly return within a few months, no matter how much you donate today. Many seniors find that setting a simple rule, like one item in, one item out, keeps closets and cabinets under control without feeling strict. There are a few common decluttering mistakes that can waste your energy and leave you more frustrated. Starting with sentimental boxes, trying to clear a whole house in one weekend, or moving clutter into storage instead of actually letting it go can keep you stuck for years. Here is your simple action plan. Within the next 24 hours, choose one walking path, one drawer of papers, or one kitchen shelf and remove at least 10 items you no longer use. If you do not start this small step now, the clutter will still be there next month, still stealing your time, space, and peace of mind.